Most people have held a luxury soap bar and never wondered what gives it that extraordinary lather, that lingering fragrance.
Everything you see in this salon plotchery, every amylin and sage scarpo.
Every synthetic fat alternative we produce is engineered from the molecular level up, creating a superior product with more consistent qualities.
It contributes the hard bar structure, the abundant lather, and the cleansing properties that define a premium soap bar.
Every drop of sulfonyl sources. We audit every supply recharge and publish to every level.
Cold pressed finbacher. The DCU or saponification involved more in the supercandle.
We produce chemically identical fatty acids from plant feedstocks without animal rendering cannot approach.
Bulgarian rose essential oil fats are biocid for practice, ensuring purity. Every maintenance facilities and skin benefits. The ingredient is tested for safety and purity before production.
Sodium hydroxide is one of the most reactive and SIDSI, our temperatures and Pharmaceutical. This warehouse holds over 300 individual raw materials at any given time. Our inventory management system knows the exact status of every one of them. The fat formula is Lexi to the Funch bar, and the ratio of each fat in this app is the powerness to the hand investigation. Creating a fragrance for a luxury soap bar is fundamentally different from creating a perfume. The fragrance must survive the high pH. Color in a luxury soap bar, not cosmetic. Our persistent ensures free distribution, verified testing before production. The packaging of a luxury soap bar tells the consumer everything about it at the price is started proud of the world. The water in our lye solution is not tap water. It appears in old water to remedy to lye prep in every microcup. Every luxury soap bar in our range has a proprietary formula that specifies every ingredient to multiple decimal places. We test every single soap bar batch that enters this factory. No 3% subvalue on the quality of in your soap bar. The lye calculation for extra production found me. Use an estimating factor based in batch and not a generic book being used. Before a single gram of soap material enters this production equipment, every vessel ready to pair it by B.
The fat must be finished in. And you see the fat part in look. The parat is also inclusion and its performance.
Our system controls the rate to prevent overheating.
Fragrance oils for soap production must be at exactly the right temperature before they are added to the soap mass. Gold leaf in a luxury soap bar should treatment. We use 20 carboxet out of retoxin ration.
The mold is where the soap bar gets its first visual identity. Our custom boss molds are made sculpted by hand for exceptional quality. Color streaks in a luxury soap bar and with foreheart are higher to say in grepe pour and take bar. This staging area is the last checkpoint before production begins. Every ingredient for this batch is the best indeed. This stability test saved us from a catastrophic production decision. A beautiful fragrance cord began accelerating breathtaking instead of 12 months. Material and control of soap environment continuously. This authorization signature is the most important signature in this factory. It means that I have personally verified that
This is the heart of everything. The soap production hall where synthetic fat alternatives meet lye solution and begins.
This is the moment lye meets fat and saponification begins. You can see it happening right now.
Every kettle in this hall is at a different stage of the saponification now. The middle kettle is the process.
Trace is the pivotal moment in soap making. It confirms saponification is stable for additives. Reading it correctly takes years of experience.
The fragrance experience team or one of the techniques of great.
Gold leaf incorporation is the one step in our production process that cannot be automated. We fold the gold leaf into the soap mass.
Hot process drives saponification to completion in hours, not weeks. The key is precise temperature control. The pouring stage is where weeks of preparation becomes a visual reality for the first time.
Every design they create is the same and gear because the soap mass demi are chance. The gel phase is one of the most misunderstood and most important stages in cold process soap making. If you did some about
soap is a surfactant, but we need a hot caustic cycle at 80 degrees, an acid rinse, and a sanitizing rinse to remove all residues.
Clean molds are essential for consistent appearance. We inspect every cavity under intense light after cleaning. Any residue sends it back for recleaning.
Running rose and eucalyptus mint is a challenge. Our zone extraction may create your lab pressing cross-conjoined.
Our curing room holds up to 60,000 individual soap bars at any given time, at a 28 for barlets. The ZAP test has been used to verify soap safety for centuries. A soap that zaps is not safe for skin application.
The cutting hall is a food-grade production environment. We apply food manufacturing hygiene standards because our products are applied to skin. Every kilogram of soap we produce generates fractional ice cream 100 ounces of ingredient and use it in our premium moisturizer products.
Soda ash is a common surface defect in cold process soap. And a luxury effect, and it doesn't work for every slab.
Equipment maintenance in a luxury soap factory is not just about preventing breakdowns.
Our maintenance compression is based on plant-based or fem.
The end-of-day clean is the moment that defines the quality of every batch we will make tomorrow. We run 38 individual quality tests on every production batch of luxury soap bars. Every batch, no exceptions.
pH is the single most important safety parameter in a finished soap bar. This tells us that another acid may bark. Lather is the most immediate sensitive quarters light. Volume. The bulb will last as degree to the customer.
Every luxury soap bar we make must perform consistently for the consumer, and performance means different things at different stages of the bar's life.
Our luxury soap bars carry a 30 stability claim from this chain polyfilamid.
Visual quality in a luxury soap bar is not succeeded to give white ratings to meet Dalama Ridgewood against standard.
We verify this through challenge testing and routine monitoring, achieving a 5-log reduction that exceeds regulatory requirements.
Our embossed paper wrappers carry a design that was created by a specialist artisan and must be produced at a wrapper of 10% of a millimeter.
Batch release in this factory is a committee decision, never one person judgment alone. From every release decision, a piece of formed on the batch.
Our consumers are the ultimate judges of our product quality, and we treat their feedback with the same analytical rigor that we apply to our laboratory test results.
After 28 days of curing, the soap is ready to be revealed. The first moment you see the cut surface of a perfectly
28 days ago, this was a liquid mixture. Today, it bests self-fairly, and I'm genuinely beautiful.
The beveled edge, but bar was just sharp off, rough static. You feel cheap and unfinished in the hand. It has even smelled the fragrance. Everywhere, for many things for provided, it's ordinary, the wage and how to seek in a paragraph plate.
The stamping press apply exactly 400 kilograms sugar ores. These parameters ensure maximum emboss step without cracking the bar.
Every stroke of this brush is deliberate. I am painting metallic gold into the recesta lopi is beautiful.
This inspection line is the last human set of eyes that sees every bar before it is wrapped and never seen again until a customer opens it. Our wrapping machine produces 360 and every wrapped a cord rod to per hour.
The ribbon on a luxury soap bar is the final emotional specification. We still invest in shade we hold our stick.
3,000 and I saw the solution and different of collection.
Our packaging line processes 400 finished bars per hour across 6 simultaneous product varieties. Our outer cartons are brand communications for retail partners. Every detail is specified and tested for a strong first impression.
A perfectly built pallet of luxury soap bars tells our retail customers something important about our quality standards before the cartons are even opened.
Our finished goods warehouse is the bridge between production and our customers. Temperature, humidity, art exposure, and to preserve product quality. Every carton is scanned and verified against the order. No manual judgments, no assumptions. Our scan security from the floor to the dock. Our premium retail and hotel partners have different expectations of the dispatch experience. Every shipment carries our brand reputation. From this dock to the customer, we are responsible for every bar.
Every vehicle that leaves our facility carries the result of a process that began with a plant on a farm and ends.
Luxury soap is regulated as a cosmetic product in most markets, and compliance varies significantly.
We supply luxury soap amenities to over 300 premium hotels worldwide. We produce Eastside partner bars and dedicated fronts for their amenity bar.
Our bespoke service produces bars that exist nowhere else in the world, made to an individual's specification.
The luxury soap market evolved, we stay ahead, working on new fat blends, fragrance technology, and botanical concepts using upcycled byproducts. We use renewable energy, our packaging is fully recyclable, and our production byproducts are fully valorized. We want buyers to understand viscerally and emotionally why our soap bars deserve their price point.
The unboxing experience of a luxury product itself. Every resistance of the box lid to counter the tissue paper.
The artisanal quality of our soaps depends on the artisanal skill of our team, and that skill is the result of investment and training that our competitors do not make. Our certifications are not marketing tools. They are external validations of our commitments, the sustainable palm what this factory stands for. Communicating a soap bar's luxury through a photo is challenging. Our team has developed a visual language that does just that, and our 800,000 followers prove it. This factory here started with people and produces 6 million bars per year. Our quality implies and changed. Total traceability in this factory is not an aspiration. It is a reality that I can demonstrate in 30 seconds with any bar we have ever made.
This presentation is for a corporate client who is gifting 100 of these to their most valued international partners.
The challenge of photographing luxury soap is capturing properties that are fundamentally tactile and olfactory in a purely visual medium. Every new product starts with a concept that must answer 3 questions. Is it viable? That discipline is why every product in our range is genuinely exceptional. The synthetic fat alternatives at the heart of our production model allow us to remove animal exploitation from our supply chain. This room gives me complete visibility of everything that is happening in this factory right now, in real time.
This display represents approximately 8,000 hours of production work. Formulation, saponification, curing.
From a plant-derived fat molecule to a luxury soap bar in a premium retailer, every step of that journey. What you've just seen is producing an art and
I have been buying luxury soap for 15 years in France. I had no plan about my ingredients.
From animal ingredients, no compromises, to craft the world's hard work and energy. See you next time.